Alexander over here from Coldwell Banking. Today we're going to talk about 22 Phoenix Street in Central Falls. This beautiful property is a colonial style single family with over 1,500 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a huge yard. So follow me what we have. But before to do that, let me show you what's going on with the neighborhood, what you can see on this particular place. So this property is located in 22 Phoenix Street. It's a very quiet area, very small traffic in this particular case. And this is the beauty property with more than 4 or 6 car parking space. In the case this parking van, you're gonna have the opportunity to go through this one without being worried. Now, on this particular case, we have an updated shingles on the roof over here. All windows has been updated. And then we're gonna have a huge, massive yard. And that way you can entertain families and friends. Now, let's get into the property right now. As you enter on this side, you're gonna see, you got a little bit of the hallway, and then you enter over here. Then you turn it to the right, you're gonna see basically the living room, the dining room, and then you're gonna have basically one of the bedrooms. Then we're going in this way. Perfect. Then you heading into the kitchen. Totally updated. Most of the time. Cabinets, some of the cabinets. And we have stainless steels. Fridge. We have a full bathroom over here. You see it right here. And then, as you can see, if you're gonna go in this way, you're gonna have the chance to go to the yard over here, which is awesome. Now, parking space. Now, this is the first level. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to the second floor right here. So on this level, we're gonna have 2 bedrooms, which is gonna be a one massive bedroom, which is goes the entire basically side of the house, the front to back, hardwood floorings. We got one bathroom, full bathroom over here, and we have another bedroom over here as well. All right, my friends. So tomorrow we're gonna have an open house between 11 to 1 to 12:30, and Sunday between 12 Eastern, between 12 to 1:30. So if you have any questions about this property, please let me know. More than happy to assist you. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.